Hello and welcome back to the Stained Canvas. So today I thought it would be fun to do a gel print with my R&F pigment sticks. Now these are oil paints and they have wax in them and linseed oil and that sort of thing. But apparently you can draw on your gel plate and pull some prints with it. So I thought I would try it out. I have some old scraps of paper, and it's regular paper that I have, but I have acrylic paint already on this, so I know that the oil from the sticks won't actually touch the paper because I have that layer, well, couple layers actually, of the acrylic paint down. So I'm not too worried about putting plain old oil stuff onto paper. I don't have to gesso this first because it's already got that layer of protection from the previous paints on there. But let's see what it's like. So the first thing I'm going to do, let's see, which one? Maybe do some reds and yellows on this bluish one. What do you think? I think that would be fun. All right, so let's get our pigment sticks out. This one's pretty juicy already, so I guess I'm just gonna go at it. I'm not sure what I want to do. Polka dots or maybe circles or flowers. Wow. It's really nice, actually. It covers really nice on here. And I love that it's oil and then I can use it as a pencil. You know, I could do whatever kind of colors I want on here. A couple circles. Maybe some red, because that'll kind of go with that. So we'll do some red circles next. So let's see. Or maybe polka dots. Maybe red polka dots. So we'll put a polka dots. This one is like a transparent one. You can see through it quite nicely. So that's why, actually I kind of have an idea maybe. Don't mind the humming if you hear any humming. That's just a fridge I have in my office here. I'm just gonna like do dots and do different things. I feel like, I don't know, maybe littler dots. That's fine. So I just want to see, anyways, this isn't anything precious. So let's just, ooh, maybe, do I want this side? It kind of has blue dots going on. I'm going to do the blue dot side because I feel like that would be fun. Okay, so we just do exactly like a gel print with acrylic. Just rub it all around. Make sure you're doing a really good job about it. I'm anxious to see if it's worked. All right, we're gonna do a pull now. Oh, it's great. I actually really like it. It has the texture of the stick in there. Well, that's lots of fun. Okay, I'm gonna clean this one off and see if I can clean it with this. It does kind of clean with this. It's oil, so you know, I probably should maybe use baby oil or something to that effect on this. It would work better. But I don't want to baby oil it every time I want to do a different print, right? So probably, I think I can wash this soap and water. Get the rest of it off. But yeah, I don't care too much. Let's just dry this off. All right, next one. So I have this one here that I've done. It's super cute. I'm going to put it aside so that I can have space here. Let's do some pink and maybe green. Pink and green, and yeah, we'll just do pink and green. This is my favorite color combo. Well, one of my favorite color combos. I'm not sure what I'm going to do on here. Maybe leaves. Let's try it. Some leaves. This is a, what is it? Is it transparent? I feel like it's opaque. I don't know. Some leaves. Just really gooping it up. I don't know if I want to have this much on my gel plate, but I mean, it's what it is, right? This stick is really soft. This one. Okay, so the blobs, I mean, that looks okay. Let's try it on this bright pink. This is the first time I've ever done something like this. So I've never gel printed with oil, let alone pigment sticks. Oh, that looks kind of okay. Kind of okay. It's a little transparent, I feel. So I don't know. Maybe that's all right. Wonder if I can do it again. Just gonna try it again. Maybe I'll get the ghost. Or maybe I can get two prints out of it, so it won't really be a mono print. It'll be more of a double print or something. I don't know. These are just pages that I use to clean my brayer, so you can tell. Oh wow, it did it again. Okay, so I actually like this one better. But, all right, so we're going to clean this one off again and then do my last print. I don't know how I should do, or what should I do for my last print. Maybe a design, maybe wavy lines or something, or pattern of some kind. Might be interesting. I have baby oil. I can get on this after I've done everything. I'll clean it up with baby oil. Get it all tidied up. Okay, I think I want blue for this one. There's already blue in it, so I feel like I want to do more blue. So get the blue one out. This one's called King's Blue. It's kind of bright. I mean, it'll look good. All right. I'm just going to do a bunch of polka dots. I'm not very inventive today, so polka dots it is. Maybe different sized polka dots, though. Mediums, littles. How small can I go? Just a little one on the bottom, we'll see. All right, that's good enough. I'm just exploring with this. I'm not making a final super duper final piece of art, but this was really fun to explore on and you know, just try out. Like, I love trying new mediums on my gel plates, try to get things going. It's really interesting to see how different paint mediums react to different things too. Like, oh, this is very quiet. It's very muted. Not bright at all. Like, look how bright this one is. I kind of like it though. It feels rusty and old. I don't know how to explain that one. But yeah, so these are the experiment that I did today. So thank you for coming along with me here and exploring the RNF paints. And I will talk to you guys next time on the stained canvas. So bye for now.